Hi, thanks for tuning in. In this video, I tell you what the budget had for you and me. As time progresses, technology advances and budgets need to accommodate for new ways of making transactions, new ways of communicating, and upgrade ease of living of the people while keeping the changes sustainable. So here are some takeaways from the budget that address a changing world. Finance Minister announced a digital currency that will be based on blockchain technology to be introduced by the Reserve Bank of India in 2022-23. This was in the pipeline for some time. Of course, the government earlier said that the central bank has proposed that digital currency be included under the definition of a banknote. In October, reports say that the RBI had introduced the proposal of central bank digital currency or CBDCs. CBDCs are the digital versions of fiat currency, for example, rupee in India. CBDCs are legal tender issued by a central bank in the digital form. It is exchanged one-to-one with fiat currency. The Finance Minister also announced the rollout of 5G in India with spectrum auctions to be held in 2022-23. Telecom companies have already initiated trials for 5G in India. Bharti Airtel has successfully conducted trials. Reliance Jio is another key player and has successfully conducted trials of connected drones on its indigenous 5G network. Sitharaman also announced that e-passports with embedded chips will be rolled out in India in 2022 to 2023. The government had earlier announced that India would soon be getting e-passports with secure biometric data. The e-passports will serve the same purpose as traditional passports, but they will come with embedded microchips that would have important security data stored in them. Now, with cryptocurrency, non-fungible tokens or NFTs taking the world by storm, the Finance Minister today introduced taxation for such virtual digital assets, saying that the magnitude of such transactions need a separate tax regime. Now, any income from transfer of virtual digital assets will be taxed at a rate of 30%. Loss from transfer of virtual digital assets can't be set off against any other income, and a gift of such an asset will be taxed at the hands of the recipient. With a thrust on clean energy and green mobility, Nirmala Sitharaman today announced a battery swapping policy for efficiency in the e-vehicle ecosystem. She also said that interoperability standards will also be introduced for EV charging.